Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video up.
If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Donette Campbell is the person you should reach out to.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further.
Gosh, how long now me not see a girl at up go school?
No, I not stop go school. I stop go to school where we used to go, but I go on one different school.
So what happened? Make it stop go.
Because me did get pregnant. You never know that?
No, first me know.
I get pregnant, girl, to over 2 years now. And me have baby.
And you change number everything, and you try to get back my old number and call me.
Me I try, but the communication with my friend them long time. Me not have no friend like that. But my life happy, girl.
That's nice to know.
Thanks. So, you alright? What about you?
Yeah, me alright and everything, man.
I'll show you my baby picture.
But backside, the baby nice man, a nice man I read for.
Yeah, girl. My happy family meeting right now.
So what your parents about it?
When they did just something, my mother and my father did upset. Okay, you know say, me did go to school and me get pregnant. But right now, them not really, I really have no problem about it now, because I know a baby born and them love the baby and everything. But I'm happy sure me then I'm living with my boyfriend, girl. Me get up out of bed when I'm ready. I go to school when I'm ready. I just live happy.
Seriously?
Yeah. I don't have nothing to worry about.
But you don't look like somebody will worry. Me happy for your girl, because normally when school picnic get pregnant out of school, their life would be miserable.
As me tell you, I'm happy I live with my boyfriend. My baby father take care of baby, everything. Baby not short and nothing. I'm saying nothing at all. Hold on, what's your name again?
Kiki,
girl.
girl.
Go to school. I don't even remember what your name. Yes, girl, Kiki. But the advisor. Go and go have baby from. I not really tell you no, but you can make up, think about it, make up your mind and go and go have baby early. Because when you get old, a problem, girl. And young girl like you, I feel like you would have do well with your baby right now. You don't want to take back my number before you go.
Alright, give me your number fast.
332-3303.
Alright, Shan. So where you head to now?
That's me and we're fine.
But look, if I want this come here, I want to go in there. Maya, what you do with your son?
You know, see a post office me go do, but you later no comment. So what? My long time I not see you.
You know, see a class me I go do. Yeah, so everything good otherwise.
You didn't even call look for me again or nothing.
Girl, I me have class and something to deal with.
So you're alright though?
Mm-hmm, good and everything. You know, I said, well, me have something to tell you.
Hmm.
Yeah, girl, but you know what you go tell about nobody, you know, so me tell her, you know.
Yeah, me not know about nobody.
Me that, you remember my boyfriend me that tell about up at school? Yeah, me I plan to get one baby with him. But me not tell him or nothing yet, you know.
Yeah. What you do with baby no them time Kiki?
Girl, my friend Sean have one baby. The baby sweet, baby nice and everything, girl. And also you can have one too. If you want to baby nice, you two we can have baby together.
Me too young for this, and you too young to where we are do with baby no them time. Cause time hard.
Girl, cause baby sweet and me well want a baby. And you go tell me say, me too young to have a baby.
Kiki you just a 16. What you want do with baby now?
Baby nice, girl. Me can't have a baby and go back to school. Because my friend when name Shan, she have a baby and she gone back to school. Her boyfriend that treat her good. The baby get everything what she want and so forth. So nothing wrong, girl.
Remember Shan, so Shan you want follow?
Yeah, girl.
So you see Shan you want follow Shan have baby?
And we can have a baby together too.
No. Me too young for this. Me not ready for this yet, girl. Life too hard.
Girl, but nobody tell nobody say and nobody go back to nobody and tell them say me tell her nothing, you know.
No, girl, me not tell nobody.
Alright. So where you head to now?
Me I go home back cause me not get the letter.
Oh, so me I got a class.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah.
Babe, so happen?
Home.
Come get the bag there.
No, so I'm not plan for come across.
I'll make.
My father asked me for this something. You alright?
No, me want to talk to you about something.
What do you want to talk to me about?
Um, me want have one baby.
So why you want to have one baby?
Cause my friend have one, so I want to baby nice.
That don't make no sense. Why you would want to have one baby?
Cause me feel like you have a baby.
Honestly, I think we're ready for have one baby.
You just lame so. So what happened to that? Nothing wrong with that if you have one baby.
Yeah, nothing wrong if you have one baby, but they must say me are just 17 and you are just 16.
So, something wrong with that?
Nothing wrong with it. I just that we have more things to do in our life right now than having a child.
But me can't have a baby. Same way, that not stop nothing.
To be honest, I don't think we feel want to pick right now.
So you want me to go before next Monday?
Alright, me think about it.
And make sure you think about it, you know. Come on, no joking business. The way you have to do me, I got class.
Alright, call me around. You know what's some of it?
Yo, Unc. What go over there, yo? You think good?
Yeah, man.
So, me nephew, which breeze blow you around now?
You know, so me come for ask us if you want advice.
Eh? You know me are the wise one already. Well, me can't talk to you, pan. What you do?
When you did have pitney with your
Stop right there, so me can't have pick me, but what you say?
my girlfriend says she want to get pregnant. Yeah.
Wait, you did have girlfriend?
What kind of question you ask me? Of course, my girlfriend.
Eh? Me never know that. What you say? Wait, you turn big man now. So how old is your girlfriend?
16.
16-year-old girlfriend. I not talk about pick me already.
No, man. I just that she come to me and I said she want to have pitney for some reason. So me no know what to say to her, cause personally, me not think me ready for pitney. I me not even think me even want pitney.
Frozen skirt.
So that's why I come to you, cause me know say you have 5 pitney. I have 5 baby mother.
Jesus, me never bother want to talk about that. You see, me never have no more hair left in my head top. Stress.
Stress?
My nephew, let me tell you this. You see this picnic thing, yeah? I don't know, better rules, you know? And a something where if you just take up and just go run in, you know, my boss. And a something that, you know. This require dedication, this require time, and this require hard work. And it requires both parents if you want to raise a successful child. I don't know, look at drama this. Me have it hard with my baby mother, them I never know easy feet. Hard struggle. And you too young right now for you think about them things there. You have your life ahead of you, my boss. You have a whole heap of different things where you need for do, man. Focus on some other things.
Alright.
Not really the children right now. You see me? So if you want to talk to her, then you sit her down and tell her from the heart. You make sure you know and explain to her. So look here now, I don't think we are physically, mentally, nor financially ready to bring forth a child into this world. You make sure you know them things and show her from where you are come from and your standpoint. Trust me, man. If she love you, everything going to work out.
Honestly, when she come to me frightened, you know, because she has said she want to move in with me. She want to have more than one picnic. I don't know if I said to her.
Christ, but wait, no, man. I want big woman you take up.
No. Honestly.
So how old is she be again?
16.
16-year-old I talk to you, sir?
You see me how me are 17.
Jesus Christ, what one with them a picking here these days? 16-year-old want to move in with her boyfriend and her picnic?
Honestly, me not no problem with the moving part, you know. But the picnic part I have problem.
I don't fear for don't fear for the house you carry him go.
Alright, uncle. Thanks for your advice, yeah.
Anytime, no man. You don't know how my nephew already, man.
Yeah.
Anytime you want some advice, man. And if anything you want to talk to her, you just let me know. And we can hold her one reason again. Cool?
Me deal with it though. But if I anything, me can move, me and I can move it with it, don't it?
Me never said that. No. Me not depend on one day. You go down to your father.
Alright,
Go on to
uncle.
your father.
But me link you though, yeah.
Alright. Boy, them young teenagers, yeah, sister. Oh, they could have possibly have people.
Miss Candy,
Hello.
good evening.
Evelyn, you can come inside.
What happened?
Massa, current gone. Inna the house hot. Hot like a fire. So I cannot stay in there. I have to sit down outside. See if me can get little breeze. The breeze hardly they blow, but thank God for what they blow. Me hot so till.
You know,
So what breeze blow you around here, so now how can I say?
Miss Candy, there's something I can't tell about Kiki. We just see her look while.
What about Kiki? She in a trouble?
No, she not tell me say she want to get pregnant and have baby.
Want get who?
You know, you hear me?
What you say she want get?
She want to get pregnant and have baby. So hit me say me run come tell her.
Pregnant and have baby.
Yeah.
Kiki, we are just 16. What else she tell us say?
She say her and her friend out there so she see. And the friend I tell her say she have baby and I say she not come to school and I try convince me too, you know. But we fit have baby together.
For me Kiki. Jesus Christ.
And you know, say a long time me and her friends, so you know, say me have to run come tell her.
I know say you're not a friend long time. But me glad you not think negative like she. Don't worry yourself. Me I go talk to her. Make me deal with it.
You can't make sure you know, say me tell her doing a Miss Candy. Okay, you know, say she a go stop talk to me.
Maya, me not go tell her say you. Me just a go put the situation to her, make she understand herself and know say breathing her pregnancy and no fear. It is not her time. How the hell one 16-year-old picnic when not even left school yet? Fi dey think about baby before time.
Hey, me I tell you. You know, I'm belly now here.
Jesus Christ. I wonder what happened to her. You feel say she in her right mind?
Our friend a boost her.
Our friend about her. You know the friend?
Yeah, she used to come to school. We used to come.
Oh, so true she left from the school and gone breed. She can encourage people picnic. Alright. You know what? Me not even sit down no longer. Me I go talk to her. Yeah. Thank you for coming tell me. You hear?
Yes,
and
Miss
take
Can.
care of yourself. Now follow them bad breed, bad getting picnic day.
Yes,
You hear me?
Yes, Miss Can.
Okay.
Right.
Evening, Auntie.
Good evening.
Alright.
Yes. Just giving God thanks for another day. Alright, so Kiki,
Yes, Auntie.
you're comfortable where you're staying?
Yes, Auntie.
You're sure?
Yes, Auntie.
You have any problem here where you need to discuss with me, where you're not comfortable with, so I need to get rid of the uncomfortableness there?
No, Auntie.
You're in need of anything?
No, Auntie.
You're hungry?
No, Auntie.
You see a friend in my school with anything where you don't have what you want me really get for you, Kiki, me know see me I know your mother. So if you're uncomfortable with something at home, you need to make me know. So me can solve that problem there. Because what could have really cost you if you start things at the age of 16, you're ready to go have baby. And baby not wearing.
I will tell her that, Auntie.
Me a big woman. I'm not a child. So me can tell you straight up. Your friend Maya tell me say you plan to get pregnant because you see people with them pitney and them pitney look pretty so you ready to have a child at the age of 16. Who tell us a baby you wear, me love?
Auntie, Maya chat too much, man. She never did have to come back and tell her. Me tell her one little something and she come back and tell her she can keep it between me and you. Me and her.
I think you should have think about your education first and stop thinking about baby.
Auntie.
You see, who you see get pregnant? Eh? And have them pitney already? Maybe them have a plan. Do you have a plan for the future and your child where they plan to have before time?
Yes, Auntie.
Remember, say you're 16 and you don't reach nowhere in life yet, you know. You understand? You have the age, but you're not mature. You get what I mean? Kiki, you need to think first. Think. And at the end of the day, you better be did your real mother in a real life.
Auntie, but me big enough to have a baby. So wrong with that.
And me I support you. You don't have a mother. You don't have nobody more than me. Me have you from your little baby. And me grow you, give you everything. So it makes sense me did be your mother. You need to listen to me. Stop go out the road and watch who they breed from, who not breed and who have pretty pitney from ugly pitney and think say you ready to go have a child at the age of 16.
But my friend have a baby and the baby look them. So I want one.
Jesus Christ. So you have a plan?
Yes, Auntie, me and my boyfriend here down there, so down in father yard, he have a room down there, we can take in me and the baby.
So hold on there. So your boyfriend at work?
No, but his father work, we can't mind me.
I'm father get you pregnant?
No, him.
Kiki, you look like you're an idiot. You working?
No, Auntie.
You can support a child?
No, Auntie.
You think you're capable of taking care of a child? You think a boy or girl for mind pick me?
No,
Eh?
Auntie.
So all your mind I tell you say, you have plans. For good on Jesus Christ. So, the boy where they talk about? You listen when you just tell me say? Me can go down and me boyfriend yard. Boyfriend, listen. Boy, a boy, big man a big man. Boy cannot mind pick me. Big man support them child to the fullest. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Until they can responsible for themselves. You is a child. That boy there how much were they talk about?
I'm a 17 and me a 16.
So through the government go no consent at the age of 16. You think that one smart idea that the government having a female? I turn the whole of the young people in an idiot. That's why so much unwanted picnic there. You understand? That's why the mafia do so much DNA. You understand? Because some baby no get the right daddy. So if you feel say you're a big woman and you're ready to go breed, me not even say pregnant because I look like you're a ton big woman before time. So if you think so you're ready to go live in a house with man, when not even responsible for themselves, or live with them dirty pooper, guess what, Kiki? Me not go stop you. You can't go on. But
Then me
remember,
gonna
oi, See you know? Anytime you start have whatever before time, you want to talk to adult like I say, you on them size. Just shut your mouth and listen.
But remember, say I'm mother and auntie.
Me know, say me, Lord Jesus, see which part you gone there now? You dey do the things them before the time. That's why you feel so you can come talk to me anyhow. Yes, me know, say me I know your mother, but it makes sense with the day, man. Because I was there from you from the beginning until now. But remember, Kiki, I know me send you out. Me no run you out of the house. You decide. You make up your own mind. Say you want to live, so go on.
Auntie, me I left and go up on boyfriend yard.
Marco, who to tell if you not breed yet? And if you breed already, me sorry for you. But remember, if you breed Kiki, you can't stay in here. If you breed in a this house here, you cannot stay. So as what you say, if you want left is not me saying you. But the way you're desperate, and the way your desperation of wanting baby dash upon you, you're ready to go a man yard go live. Look on you. The whole world are turning a idiot. Because our Prime Minister can't give out law about at the age of 16, you know, figure out sex. The whole of an idiot. So if you want to go and you go on, Kiki, me there, and I hope God make me live to see you. Come back to me. Come say you're sorry. Go on, me wish you all the best.
I got my boyfriend now, so you
Go on,
can't
you man yard.
Well, yeah.
Not big woman. Get man before time and come tell about me and your man. You know, for me, I tell you from girl. So.
Yeah. What, girl?
You mean by what? You know, go tell me and say how me a plan to get baby.
So now look, me I look out for you.
Girl, I never did go back go tell her, man. Chat too much, man.
Me I look out for you. Me and your friend, me have to tell her. I don't want nothing bad happen to you.
Girl, you say me and your friend. Friend in me, you say me and your friend. Friend not do them something there.
What you mean friend not do them something there?
You know what? As of today, when you see me on the right, you take it left. You see when you see me on the left, you take it right. Me and you done.
Really, Kiki?
Yes, bye.
So what's up to you?
Me auntie find what's in the friend.
So what your auntie don't say you want to get pregnant? Who?
Maya.
So how about you find out?
Because we can learn.
So what kind of argument you and your auntie have because I have to kick you out of the house?
Me and this me can't have no baby. And make up my mind say I want a baby.
Well, you never know say I could just... Oh God. Alright. So since your auntie kick you out, what are you gonna do?
Me say down here with you.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know for sure if I can stay because I already 2 room there in the house, but they have to ask my father first because I just me and him live.
So what me can't come?
Yeah,
Remember saying no, you're my boyfriend, I'm want the baby. So yeah, so what that for?
I like me want you to do it on the streets, but they have to ask my father first. We can't just say me I'm gonna make a movie.
Alright, you know what? Call him, hear him say, and then you tell me. Come now back up this one.
Alright. Just go and relax, make a call my father and tell you where is it.
Make sure you know be.
Yeah. Daddy, I want to ask you a question. You know, sir, my girlfriend wants to stay with me. I really want to ask her if she can just go and chill out here for a while.
Your girlfriend? What I mean, like a girlfriend?
Yes, my girlfriend at school, yeah.
So you mean like stay, like come here and stay?
Yeah, stay there in my room, go and chill out here for a while.
You never know, say you have girlfriend and a boy. What I mean? I tell.
Daddy, why would I lie to you?
Well, I mean, what I mean, can her come?
Yeah, man.
We're proud of you, man. Bring her come. But listen, make sure say you protect yourself, you know.
Of course.
Because them a little young girl nowadays, they can't trust them. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah.
Protect yourself. And in case you feel like you know you want a condom and you can't find it, you know which part me draw there.
Yeah. A top one over left.
Right. And you know say me not ready for no gram here.
Alright, cause honestly me not even want no pick right now either.
That good, but yeah man, make sure come man. Make sure come.
Babes. Father said I can't stay.
Send me a number.
Love it too. But you still want to think about if you want about me. But be sure it's what you understand.
It's not to be very father.
Yeah, where you go? Me uniform so I can't press it.
You tell her the honest truth. I don't want to go back to school. Remember, I tell her I want to have a baby, so how am I going to have a baby and go back to school?
Do you think there's still a thing about that? You know, think about your options before you get pregnant.
I can have a baby then go back to school. And I don't tell her what I want already. I want a baby.
Alright. Now go and make sure to pants on going to school. We'll see you later.
Right, you do your thing.
Alright.
Me here say you're 6. How you feel now?
Too bad. Just I come from the doctor.
So what the doctor say?
I don't even know what the doctor say no. Cause through is it name where I grow on?
Dengue.
Dengue. So then do some blood work, so I'm gonna get back the result yet. I pick up a result tomorrow. But me feel better now. I kinda feel better. Just still feel weak. I never did I eat. Cause me did a fret. Cause where is it name dengue?
Dengue. When
Me
they
no
say
catch
mosquito grow and I bite people and they give people dengue fever.
me not have no fever, me not have no headache, me not have no pain ache, me not no part of my body not hurt my girl. So me kinda feel a little better. So how Kiki?
Who?
Kiki.
Lord Jesus. Sis, fear story. I want a whole book, but me will give you part of it. I can't read out the whole it too much. You know say little girl come tell me about she want to move out and go live with man. Because one of her friend, Sierra Road, I want a Kiki friend and make me know this, you know. And so comes me and her in a big conversation about it. Girl move out. Because friend Sierra Road tell her say she can go breed. The friend have picnic. So she ready to go have one picnic too. Ready to go breed, so you want a man. Who to tell how long in the chat to that the boy there?
So how old Kiki be again?
Lord God.
Kiki not just turned 16.
Look here. You see Kiki? Kiki come like he no know age. Kiki act like him at 25 and Kiki at 16. Ready for man before time. 16-year-old children are baby still. They no mature, they no know nothing about pregnancy.
Why can the for sister a roll over in a fear grave? So what happened to Kiki make Kiki behave like that? You see friend and company. Me used to tell me, hey, So which part Kiki gone?
Me nah make she send up my blood pressure, you know.
So where you say Kiki gone with her
Ain't
friend?
gonna live with him, man. She said she want come out, so me tell her fi go on.
So you really allow Kiki to leave your house?
I mean, allow her fi go out. I say look on it, sis. Remember, say me tell her say, you know. When Kiki come home, you know, Kiki they tell me with her mouth say she ready fi breed. She a go live with her, man.
So Kiki can't take care of
After
herself,
the friend
Candy?
tell me question her and that, she said to me,
But
so me have to make
Kiki
she go.
can't take care of herself, Candy.
Then she
Not
don't know
because
that.
she is 16.
Okay. So, when them a little young teenager ready to go take bull, you think me and you as parent can't happy? They now go do it in front of we as we turn we back then gone. So, in saying one go, me say go on. Remember, say no me saying you say you want go, me can't stop it, she still a go. Cause she make up her mind.
Which
I know
part?
me run her out.
Where boy live?
I don't know, me don't want to know.
You should have put her on your foot. Not because she is 16. She feels that she a man, she not ready for your road. Kiki not even street smart. You see, because they know, so the age of consent is 16. That is why I see them like a young pitney and then like a young girl and a young boy. That is why they behave so. The government need to change the age of consent and put it right back at 21.
You're right.
Yeah. When time I did younger, I think the age of consent was 21.
Sis, you're right about the consent. You hear what they say? You hear what you just say and the government say? Consent. The government condemn. And when the man them use them, then don't give them a red cent more than baby. You're right. Then stupid and fool, no care what me tell the little girl say. Everything
She
gone
need
to her
counseling.
ears. Nothing she no listen to. Listen to me. Me understand when you say me shouldn't allow her to go out like that and me should have put down foot. My foot did down, he never up. Me talk to her. But Marco, you know, me I tell you right now, as me there say, you know, anything will happen to her, you know. Me no business with her, you know, maybe I use she have to go come live it because me tell her, me talk to her night and me talk to her day. Me ask her if she ready for have baby. The girl insists to go live with the man because she feels that she big.
Candy, I know you do a good job. But listen to me. The girl not ready for the road yet, you know, Candy.
Me know, but it look like she no know. But she make up her mind because she feels that she ready. Me couldn't do nothing about it again. Me
So
try
hold
my
on,
very
hold
best.
on. She stopped going to school.
When they start take man, not even school they no want go, sister. Not even school they no want go, me love. Me not even want to talk about her.
No, we have to talk about her with dead
But-
sister Pitney. No, we
So
can't
we
leave her on her
walk
own.
into her.
We cannot leave her on her own like that, Candy. She need counseling. Me need to go look for her. Me need to find her.
Anytime she book her tour. Look.
So
So no
hold
mind
on.
chop her for me and
Let
she
me
run
ask
come
you
back
something.
or she come stay with you.
If she come back, you go take her.
It depends, you know. Because I don't want to live with no big woman. Two big women no fi stay under my roof.
But Candy, I'm not pregnant alone. She can't get pregnant. She can't catch any farmer a disease. You know?
STD, HIV, whatever see. She should have known that before she gonna take up big woman ship on her head before time. Me want her, no sitting like say me no talk to her. Me want her.
Make
The
me a
little
go look
girl
for
a
her. Make
look
me
for.
and you go look for her.
Make we go look for her or you go look for her.
It two away.
Me? No mix me up in there. That the little girl they a big woman. And you me come look for. Me no want hear nothing about Kiki. She take up big woman and gone pan her head. Make she stay where she there. If you want to go look for her, you go and go look for her. She make up her own decision. I know me make it up for her. She decide where she want to do.
Well, me I go find her. Since as you don't want to go, I will go. As me I send her right back home to you.
Babes, you alright?
Me hungry. Nothing that I can cook.
You know, said daddy don't make no shopping yet. You don't really have no money, so you don't buy no food.
So you don't have no money, can't buy nothing.
Never little money. I have one lunch money put on, but if you buy some food, you can cook.
You can't cook and auntie also cook for me. So you can't cook.
Daddy always cook for me, so I don't know if you cook.
So if you go buy dry goods then I eat it. I'm hungry.
Alright, me go buy one bun. You want one bun and cheese?
Yeah.
Alright, me go on the road and come back.
Alright.
Javi,
Alright.
I'm glad me see you. Come out here, let me talk to you a little bit.
So what you want to talk about?
Kiki,
About Kiki?
what kind of fool idea that about she want to get pregnant?
I feel a decision. She my girlfriend, so I support her.
She are just 16. And you want to mash up her life? I mash up for your life too, Javi?
Me not mash up her life. And you a mash up her life. And you tell her auntie to kick her out of the house. I know me have to take her in. What me feel? Make her stay up on the road? You're her best friend. You're supposed to support her. Best friends support each other. Me not say say you want to get pregnant with her, you know, but you're her best friend. You feel support her, help her.
Javi, me not support foolishness. And right now, this a conversation, you not go nowhere. So you know what? I go left you now. I left you now alone. I don't do no one do. Later, bye.
Alright, cause me just be one good boyfriend and support her. You are her best friend. What kind of best friend you be?
Auntie, what go on?
Na auntie me.
Auntie, what happen now?
Na auntie me.
So you go on so auntie?
You're ungrateful. You're an ungrateful little girl. Your mother dead. And can they take you up? And have you send you go to school and treat you like a she are your mother? And you but you want to go live a house with man because you want baby?
Auntie is not like that. Auntie Candidates are overreact.
What you mean it's not like that? So which part you live? You live with Candy? So who you live with?
Don't have my boyfriend.
Don't are you who?
Don't have my boyfriend.
Y'all have a heart and look for me and tell me say don't are your boyfriend. You how old?
16.
Me say you see government what we have in our country. Sometimes me have to think about it. Because in past the age of consent at 16, and because you no feel like say you no reach 16, you no have a type if you have man. You no work like that, girl. You no go like that. How you feel want go live a house with man? You no have no formal education. How much subject you have?
Auntie, 2.
So which part 2 I go? 2. Which part 2 subject you and carry go? And you decide say you go live with man and have baby. You no have nothing in a life. Nothing. Look there. How you look so? Eh? You look like you're not even eat. You eat from morning? Our time now. This time of the day you not eat from morning. If you did that auntie candy, you not eat already. You're ungrateful. You no look up at me, you no ungrateful.
Auntie, but me no want wait until me old before me have baby. My friend have one baby, I want to say baby sweet. I want for me baby to grow with me to have me a grow.
You don't understand about life. You don't understand nothing at all about life. But you want to have baby because your friend have baby. So let me ask you something. When you have the baby there, who go take care of the baby?
You and Auntie Candy.
Look, me I go about my business, me no like load girl. Little girl, me no like load. The only reason why me have this in my hand, I fi quench my thirst while walking, not even bag. Baby now wearing it. And baby now run go nowhere. All they have a sense, a young bird don't know storm. And it seems like say, you don't know storm at all. You don't know nothing about storm. Which storm you ever experienced yet? You ever experienced no storm yet? And you want to come experience baby? You know if you take care of baby?
But your Auntie Candy can't take care of it.
Girl, take that off of your mind. You take that off of your mind. Me and Auntie Candy fi take care of baby. You know, I'm sorry, my sister dead. And she dead. And you never know young baby where we have to put on pampers and change pampers and it, cause me can't tolerate them the same thing there, you know. And you want me now. Girl, me never live no life yet. Me pitney then get big and then live a foreign. Me not have no time for nobody and then pitney. You big enough where you can cook little food for yourself and you can tell me say, me and Auntie Candy fi take care of your baby. You gonna have baby, give me an Auntie Candy and we have to take care. You know what you do? You need to find back your way back home. You're mentally disturbed. You need counseling. Me I forgot to talk to my sister about it. You need counseling. Your plan to have baby for care can't give me and my sister for take care of. It look like some my sister that take a hold of you. It look like some you're mentally derailed. You know what? Go on back home. Go on back home to Candy. You hear me, little girl? Go on back to your yard. Listen, and if you ever go back over the boy the yard, me broke your 2 foot them. Me no Candy. You hear me I tell you? When me say if you go back.
I hope I'm to Auntie Candy.
You understand what I just tell you, sir?
Yes,
read me lips. Me say go back home to Auntie Candy.
Yeah.
Go on. You go on. Watch ya. This a little girl sitting wrong with her.
Anyway.
Yeah,
Just
go
a
on.
cool beat, man. Jano, star, never want damage the tools them all over the place. What go on? Hear me out, no man. Jano, star. Call on you, see me. Thing good?
Yeah, everything good, man. A damn there.
But if you come link you from earlier, cause Javidi come give me a one link the other day up at the yard. And I show me a 1 5, you see me? Yeah, man. You might tell me, say, you have a one female where want to give my youth, you see me? She want to get pregnant at fair age. And I say, so he ask me my advice. I don't know my situation already. I regret half of my decisions that I'm making at them time. So I definitely have to talk to him on it. I'm going to give him a steady reasoning still. Because I make him know say, oh, and it's something that I'm ready for right about now. I have to definitely establish himself first, is it? Put himself certain way, set himself certain way, because in a easier road.
So hold on.
I'm ready for that.
Hold on. Say me if you tell me, say, yeah, one little girl now, say, you know.
So,
Are that the same girl? Eh?
one, the browning, one slim browning?
Uh-huh.
Yes, man, she's the same one.
Me get him from me at 14, you know.
Chop
From me
him.
at 14, me get him. So, if you say he can link me, you know, and he carry a little female, me proud. As a man, me feel proud, because I say, at least me know say he not go that way there.
Well, that's true.
You understand?
That's true.
So me feel proud. So me never know say them a little something they have in their mind. What kind of breed? Especially what kind of breed?
I'm surprised him not tell you yet.
Me hardly can't even find food to feed Javi because Javi name nothing, no man.
That's no joke.
When he come from school, me chat to him, man. Cause me listen to me. Me not depend on him foolishness, you know.
And really, him, I push the breeding thing, you know. And the girl, I tell him, say, she ready for her baby. And so she put the pressure upon him. So this is why him come and reason with me as a big uncle.
This
I know him I tell the girl say him want youth, and she force it upon him.
this not sound right.
This look like
This
a big
little
peer
girl
pressure.
she too prime for her age. I wish part where she had then teach her female feel she had think about pitney already at that age. Eh?
Tell her.
It's bad enough that me even let him in my place. That's bad enough. For them, for me let them in and for that I go on, but for breed, no sir.
Javi, one night time there say up for me house you want to come. And me tell him say that not gonna work. You must be mad. Hey sir, that couldn't happen.
No sir, as soon as Javi come from school, I make him know say
Eh.
That the little girl have to go home and she need this I need to break up. This is something when they have a go on. You need to break up or then will have pause for the baby and can continue the little young relationship. But this a baby sitting here, it not gonna work out. Well, anyways, thank you for telling me, man.
I mean, I have to come make you know what go on, man, because I'm never sure if you didn't know or hear. So, I don't want anything to happen more you try and prevent it. So, they have to come update you on what go on.
Brother, me for know me have all of them sitting here to try fix up from
And it
when.
look like you had to work back up
Eh?
on you, man. And then like go again. Jesus Christ.
But everything good though.
Yeah. Then they are going easy, I go and pull through. Go and pull.
What you say when you know? Dirty mattox him.
I'm that.
Yeah.
Anyways, now push out, you know. So we link.
Alright.
Back up on my
I
quarters.
must
Yeah?
see money you can come give
Bless
me.
up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Then might as well a good look thing that, man.
I broke you now too.
Let me not think it is in the house. Make glad me see you. Come here. Me get to understand, say, the come when you come here is not just we come and to come and stay and keep Javi warm. Me get to understand, say, you come here to get him warm plus you have baby. But listen to me. Take that out of your mind, you know. Or take that out of your head because one, Javi already greedy. Me can't feed him plus feed you plus feed Pitney. And me too young to be a grandfather. You see? And me never listen. At 16, what you think about being pregnant? Eh? You're not even done enjoy your teenage life yet. You think about baby? Eh?
Tell me now, what could have possibly have got through your brain? What?
Listen, sir. Javi said me can't stay here.
Javi say you can't stay here, but that don't Javi place. I think of a Javi place. Half of my place. Eh? And what you think wear pants in it? I think a Javi, a shorts Javi wear. And me wear pants in here, so.
So me I go do now, sir.
Listen, me no business what you want to do. But it's when Javi come, don't tell Javi say me tell us if you go on home. Just tell him say you think you're gonna go home now. You don't really like it here. You understand? But it not gonna work out. You see, me already make you come here and I already. And for you if you go have baby in here so it not gonna look right, that not look right, you know. So you what you gonna do? Just stay right here so and wait for Javi until Javi come.
Alright then, sir.
Yes, me sorry about that. Me wish me coulda facilitate you or your pregnancy and them something, but unfortunately me can't do it. Come to you, alright?
Think me I go back.
So I go back home now.
Just want to go back home. Nobody want to know me.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure say alright? My father said okay.
Me auntie down there stressful too. So me think me I go back home to her.
Alright, if I say I go back home, I'm not going to force you to stay. But I just want to make sure say alright.
So me go inside and go bed.
Daddy. Afternoon.
Afternoon.
You good?
I saw some chicken there, so I chop up.
Mr. Kiki outside and she tell me say she have a plan for go home. You don't say that to her.
Me, one for to Kiki.
I just cause me don't say you never 200 when she a come here, but she looks sad like
No,
I
man.
don't know, it's surprising to me, like me confused to be honest.
Listen, woman don't know what they want. Woman themselves confused. But no get me involved. You see?
Alright.
Me don't know. Just find out what I do or so.
Alright. But daddy, me never say it to you, but you know say to be honest, she did tell me say she want have a baby.
Allah, you force me to hear that there's something there. What do you mean she want to have one baby?
Like, me never want to tell her the truth yet, but and that's why she honestly come here, but to be honest,
Javi.
me know that wait no, me tell you. To be honest, me never want no pitney. I just because she tell me say if me not no pitney with her, she go have pitney with somebody else. But to be honest, don't worry yourself. Anytime when we need it, me use condom.
Javi, let me tell you this. You see, young bird no know storm. You see? Never make no girl go and give a pitney just so, and you don't know. She couldn't breed long before you know her, you know? And carry baby can't get, you know? You have to be careful of when you take pitney from woman. You hear me I tell you? You see, if you not put it there, don't take it. And if you put it there, know when you put it there. Here? Anytime you put nothing nowhere, make sure say you know when you put it there, because you can't trust some of them a young girl nowadays. Yeah? But as me say, me not have no conversation with a girl. You can't come here and tell me say a girl, me no need for you no conversation with her.
Alright. Me just need want to tell her to be honest, cause me don't say me don't want me honestly never want to lie to you.
Everything good, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
Go and take off your clothes, man.
Alright, cause right now I'm being no one being.
Hold on. Me I'll not kind of look like a your place. Can you just walk in? You don't make no phone call or nothing. What you do yourself?
Auntie, me sorry. Me just come back to go apologize about everything when we do and disrespect you. Out there not easy.
Hello?
Adult or something.
You see, before you left here, you did act like big woman. So me need you to talk now, like, yeah, big woman. Cause you're a big woman. You know about that breed?
No, auntie. Auntie, out there not easy.
Looking at my eyes then when you talk to me. Stop look down on the ground.
Auntie, out there not easy.
Look for me.
Auntie, out there not easy.
Me know say out there not easy, but you want to prove out there for yourself so me make you go on.
Auntie, me just come back to tell us I'm sorry for everything.
Where you do? Sorry, say you know about that breed or what?
I'm sorry, say me disrespect you.
Okay. May I contact you? Kiki,
Yes, auntie.
you say you not listen to me?
Auntie, but me tell us I'm sorry for everything when me do say you can just accept it and take
How
me
you do?
back
First
and
don't accept
everything.
down me throat well?
Auntie, but
You never listen, then you go listen now. So at time for you shut up and listen, because if you did listen, you wouldn't come back in this situation. Yeah. Kiki,
Yes, auntie.
your sister you're not ready for baby. You're not ready for baby world yet. Baby and no handbag. When a time for you breed, you will breed. Your sister you not to run down them something there before time.
Yes, auntie.
You feel listen to me. And because you not listen to me, why you end up in this, make you have to come back here. So me did know me, me did warn you. Me tell you say you go come back. Come apologize. You remember?
Yes, auntie.
Okay. So next time when adult, whether your mother or a adopted whatever, faster this or faster that, or you just a stay with somebody, parent or guardian, I don't care. Them are adult, you must listen. Not because you're 16. Not because you're 16, you feel you're ready to go take up your world, put on your head. Leave adult things alone. When your time is your time. This is not your time. You need to stay in school, finish your education, and start focus on your future. To live a happy life as a young girl. Why you want breed in a school? And who they fool you?
Auntie, me sorry.
You're sorry?
Yeah.
You sure you say you're sorry? Well, listen to me now, Kiki. You still like how you're sorry? Me know you have your little boyfriend. Can't not hide again. He big and broad in the whole public. Everybody seeing that the area and everybody in the site community and know too. say you start have sex already. So guess what? It's either, you know, a pill then called cancer what? Cancer what? Or and with the C word, the other one.
Condom.
Okay. You see, if you no use none out of the two of them, if you protect yourself from getting pregnant too early, I'm sorry for you, my love. Because it is not pretty out there. I don't must listen when adult talk to you. You're looking at me two eye them and make me know say me's not your mother.
Auntie, but me sorry. Me sorry. We should listen to you.
And me tell you already say better me did birth you. I only that did left for me do because me grow you up as my own child. All when you no come out of me. You are my pitney. Me forgive you. But me will never forget. Don't do it again.
Yes, Auntie.
Looking at me eye them, where you look down on the ground for? Are the boy you think about still? In down there, so?
Auntie.
Where you look for? Looking at me eye when me I talk to you. You see when listen to me. You see it? Me I talk to you, you look down on the ground. When you did I talk to the boy out the road where they chat to you, don't you look in your face? And when kiss back of your ears are in front of you right off you, so something the pan the when kiss. When kiss?
In front.
Okay, and where you did that look? Which part pan him you did that look?
Nah.
Okay. Congratulations, you need to steer in my eye then. If me hear it come out your stupid mouth
Auntie, you
again,
got papa fi?
say me is not your mother, you will find out. Me forgive you. Where is the clothes them there?
Me left them up by boy yard.
Not even bother, don't even bother go back down there. No go back for them. Me will get different clothes to you, you did left some yeah. You can go and continue wear them. Find something to eat but make sure you see your beard. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me forgive you, remember what me said before? But me don't forget, no do it again. Stop follow company.
Yes, Auntie.
You eat already?
Auntie hungry kill me. Go there, look here. Why skull? You know, eat up by boy yard, the boy treat me bad.
Me no have to ask you no. Me know say when they dead feel hungry.
For real, man. Go there, come here, Maga.
And your son proud that tell me say your mother and the boy when they kill you we don't grow up there. And you're proud for left and proud for come back and tell me you did and you're hungry like that down there. And look how much food you left you so. Anyway, me cook out there in the kitchen.
So me can't take no food out there.
Me I wonder if a baby you did want or a food. Make you left. Where you did want? Why you leave?
The baby me did want things. But if you get all that.
God. I forgive you. I don't want to go through that again. Kiki, hook me up. You are my daughter.
Yes, Auntie.
Me love you dearly. Make sure you take your book at school. What me say?
Take me book as.
Me don't want you to put your head around and something either, you know, too because me I hug up you. Let me go and look in at me eye them. I love you like my own child. Me no want you to go astray. What me say? I don't want you to go astray. So please, take care of yourself, protect yourself, finish study at school, and come out to something good in life. Me I go outside.
Alright.
Have your shower, get something to eat and go relax.
Ned Campbell, broker of Sunshine Real Estate Pros, and I'm here today with my business associate, Mr. Lewis Witter. Some of you may already know Mr. Witter. He is the host of CRR FM Radio in Kissimmee. We cover, as realtors, we cover Orlando, Ocala, Kissimmee. I'm also based in Atlanta, so we are here to help you with your real estate needs pretty much anywhere in Florida
Yes,
or Atlanta.
that is correct. And so we invite you to call us. Our number 321-946-9944. That's correct. For the office is 407-201-5400. And we are open 5 days a week from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, can also reach me directly at 407-449-3371. We look forward to hearing from you.
Yes, from Sunshine Real Estate Pro.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and there is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.